Hello, YouTube viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the incredible benefits of lemons. This small citrus fruit packs a powerful punch when it comes to health and well-being. So, let's dive right in and discover 7 amazing reasons why you should incorporate lemons into your daily routine. 1. Nutrient-rich. Lemons are a nutrient powerhouse. They are exceptionally rich in vitamin C, an essential nutrient that boosts our immune system, supports healthy skin, and aids in wound healing. 2. Digestive aid. Lemons act as a natural digestive aid. The citric acid in lemon juice can stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, promoting smoother digestion and reducing bloating. 3. Weight management. Lemons can assist in weight management. The pectin fiber found in lemons helps you feel fuller, curbing your appetite and supporting your weight loss journey. 4. Detoxification. Lemons are fantastic for detoxification. Starting your day with a glass of lemon water can help your liver flush out toxins and support your body's overall detox processes. 5. Skin health. Lemons promote healthier skin. Their high antioxidant content fights signs of aging and blemishes, leaving your skin looking refreshed and radiant. 6. Alkalizing effect. Lemons have an alkalizing effect on the body. Despite their acidic taste, they help balance your body's pH levels, reducing inflammation. 7. Fresh breath. Lemons are nature's breath fresheners. Their natural antibacterial properties combat bad breath, giving you a refreshing and natural way to maintain oral hygiene. And there you have it, folks. 7 fantastic reasons to include lemons in your daily routine. From boosting your immune system to promoting healthy skin and aiding digestion, lemons are a true superfood. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.